पेपर तुम्हाला मिळेल, थांबा जरा. ए बुक कोणी आणली बुक? त्याला एक पेन. आर्य कार्यक्रम कुठे आहे? तू माडे का बघतोय? बसला तिकडे बाय मूल. अरे हो, मी जर अशी गमतो ना पाठवली.
आप guys came to meet me and wanted to talk I live in I have my mother my
काय तोंडाने बोल. मला फोन करशील का? नंबर आहे. हो आहे. नाही नाही मला कोण रोड मी कॅब करते.
On television, seeing the great man on the screen one last time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good of honor in honor of Sachin Tendulkar. We're just about ready to start. Before that, can we have a huge round of applause for the students of the band from the Anjuman Islam Girls?
Boys.
Okay, guys, can I request all those in front of the stage? See, we're going live with this telecast. May I please request everyone to settle down. Just keep clear of the cameras, please. We're going live with this show on CNN IBN. I can see everybody out with their sunglasses out there. We're comfortably in the shade for a little while. Now, this fantastic turnout is testimony that we are all here for a great cause. Today, we are here to honor the man who honors us by just being one amongst us. A legend man who holds just about every cricketing record worth it, not to mention the most international runs. The man who has stamped his mark in our hearts and our minds forever. Forever Sachin, Apna Sachin. Round of applause for Sachin Tendulkar. Come on, guys. We at Network 18 take great pride and joy in paying an eternal and grateful homage to one of the greatest living Indians, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. And what better place to do that than Amchi Mumbai and Sachin's home, Bandra. That's why we're all here. But as you can see, that's right, Bandra. Let's hear it for Bandra, Carter Road. And now, as you can see, we're keeping it under wraps for a little while longer. It's here on my left. I'm sure you've guessed that. Now, to tell you a little bit more about the Bat of Honor, I'd like to invite on stage the Editor-in-Chief of IBN Network, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai. Rajdeep, can we have you on stage, please?
Very difficult to really think what more can you do to honor Sachin Tendulkar. He's got it all. He's done it on the cricket field, a remarkable 100 centuries in international cricket, and he's done it off the field. He's already Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian honor, and the first sports person to do so, which in itself reveals just how much he has meant to so many Indians. In fact, if you ask most Indians, who has been the biggest folk hero of the last 25 years, certainly it is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. So let's give him one more big round of applause for coming here this morning. The good thing that we did is that we ensured that the Bat of Honor will be only 1 minute from where Sachin lives. So it won't take time for him to come here. he is, when we tried at Network 18 to think what can we do to honor Sachin Tendulkar, it was very difficult to think of something because he's, as I said, residents of Bandra who came up with this idea to use this promenade. And I think anyone who comes to Mumbai in the future, who's inspired by the dream that Sachin Tendulkar had, will come here, and as you will see at the Bat of Honor, there is a speech which Sachin Tendulkar gave last year.
Mr. Siddiqui, just if you could share your thoughts on this tribute.
It's a privilege when Network 18, the full wave greatness is measured with how many lives you've touched and how many people you given joy. Sachin is the most unquestionable sportsman ever. Bandra has always been across sports. We've had students who've represented the country in different games. Sachin has been living for the last 20 years of I know. Now he has a home a kilometer away. It's a privilege. We Bandra is a community. I thank KBS Foundation, Madam Priya Dutt, and the residents of Bandra who welcome this. And it's a privilege that we have a badge of honor, a landmark of this stature, and I'm sure it's going to be a world landmark like the Statue of Liberty in America. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, could you just share your thoughts on this homage?
Good morning, everyone. What can I say? I think this is the greatest honor for Bandra. I mean, for the fact that Sachin lives here. But to have this great monument on Carter Road, I think it's wonderful. And I'd really like to thank Rajdeep, his team, Baba, and the residents. And Sachin, I just want to say, I know so many people have said so many wonderful things about you, but you're truly an inspiration. Not just for our generation, but I think these children who are sitting here, you're a great inspiration for them as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for that, ma'am. To thank all the people without whose support this would not have been possible today. A very, very special thank you to the KBS Foundation who developed this beautiful promenade here at Carter Road, and to the CEO of Maritime Board, Mr. Pradeep Jain, for standing by us throughout this. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the founder and principal designer of Studio ABD, Mr. Abhijit Bansod, for designing this glorious new landmark to adorn the city from this day onwards. And also this project was managed by Venkatraman. Alright, we're going to count down in signature Sachin style from his favorite number, number 10. So I want the audience, join me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go for this! Ladies and gentlemen, the Bat of Honor! Let's give that applause going. This is your new landmark at Bandra, Mumbai. Thank you very much for that, children. And now I'd like to invite here the man of the moment, the man we're all here to honor. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Sachin, can we have you here, please? Can you please join us? So, over to you, Rajdeep.
Before we start, let me give... Before anything, let me ask Sachin first to say a few words. Just on seeing what... You've received various honors. and this is another very small one. But somewhere the fact that it is happening in Bandra, in Mumbai, your hometown, your home, where you've grown up, must be special for you.
First of all, thank you very much, Rajdeep, Baba and Priya. I think this is a special moment. All the love from people from Khar, Santa Cruz and Bandra. That's the association who've taken the initiative to have this mega structure. It is really heartwarming. Makes it even more special when you've got the future of India sitting here, next generation. Being a Mumbai boy from Bandra, I've lived all my life in Bandra, though I've practiced at Shivaji Park, but I grew up the first 16, 17 years I spent in Bandra East, then I shifted to Bandra West, and now a kilometer away from this house since the last 25 months. To have this structure next to my house is really special, and more so this honor, this love and affection. So a really pleasing moment for me.
It is, and also that brought a lot of tears to a lot of us. Just where did that speech come from? I've known you for years. I've known you as someone who doesn't speak a lot. And look at what a long speech you gave. And you touched the heart of every Indian. Did that speech come somewhere deep in the heart? How long did you prepare for that speech?
No, I was flying back from Kolkata to Mumbai, and then I was sitting in the aircraft and I realized that, oh, this is going to be my last match. I was sitting alone and I said, I better, think of something, think of people I need to mention, because before I realize Mumbai match also will be over, and all of a sudden I'll be standing with this little thing in front of my face, and then the whole world is waiting for me to say something. So something which I didn't want to do was to miss out on any name, important name that I wanted to mention, and all I had done was written all the names I need to mention, and otherwise the rest of the things came from my heart. Otherwise my speech wouldn't have this long. It was a special moment for me, something which I hadn't experienced. I knew that I would get emotional, and that's just for safety I was carrying a bottle of water as well, which kept me going. But those kind of things, you cannot script. It's the Almighty's wish, and everything went much better than what I expected. The love and affection I received over a period of time when I announced my retirement, I mean, those 3-4 weeks were unreal. I mean, I've never experienced anything like that. Wherever I went, the way people greeted me, it was a special moment. So, something which goes beyond something which I'd be able to express. And again, coming back to this long speech, I mean, it wasn't written or rehearsed, it just came from my heart.
It did come from your heart, but tell me, Sachin, it's been what, almost 4 months since you gave that speech, since you retired. Do you miss batting? Do you miss playing cricket, or are you enjoying life? The fact that you can now get up at 8 AM in the morning without having to worry about, you can eat all the things that you want to eat without having to worry, will I put on weight? Are you enjoying life after retirement?
Yeah, I'm enjoying life after retirement. I haven't played cricket at all. Just a couple of times with my son Arjun and his school friends in the house itself. But other than that, I have not played cricket. But with this big bat and the wagon wheel here, I'm tempted to have a go. This is a 20-ton bat, so I mean, you can imagine how much effort it has taken for the curator to put this together, and there is a proper study behind this. I mean, the gap in between, I was just talking to him, he said gap in between, the color is blue because I played for India, and India is all about having blue color, bleed blue. So this is what his idea was, his thought was. And the wagon wheel, I mean, all these things are special. So, life can't be better than all these things.
The fact is that your bat was almost as broad as he. Does anyone here want to say something to Sachin? Who wants to say something? Come on. I think he has said what a lot of young Indians will say today. There are lots of young Indians who will say that, not just these boys who are in some academy or the other across India. What would you like to tell these young boys in conclusion? Because a lot of people will come over the years. There'll be 20, 30, 50 years from now. We hope even 100 years from now. When they come by the Arabian Sea, they will come and see this badge of honor and be inspired. What would you like to tell in conclusion to this little boy and indeed lots of little boys across India today?
You know, many years ago, even I was like this. I used to attend various functions. Cricket, I'm talking only about cricket right now because there are cricketers here. But generally talking about your passion in life, whatever you are passionate about, you have to understand one thing, that cricket first should live in your heart and then it finds its way to your brain. In the sense, once you start playing cricket, you figure out how to score runs and how to get wickets. But if you are not madly in love with cricket, play something else, do something else, become a doctor, lawyer, whatever. Whatever you are passionate about. When you are passionate about something, you don't look at your watch. You don't tell your parents, oh, I practiced for 2 hours, I practiced 120 balls I batted or whatever. You just practice till you get tired and till you are satisfied. Hard work, obviously, is important. People will notice all those things, but satisfaction will not be noticed by anyone. Only you will know within if you are satisfied with your effort or not. Okay? There will be tough patches in between. Don't cheat, don't find shortcuts. Okay? Because eventually you will be cheating yourself. So all I want to do is tell you to go out and chase your dream. It's important to dream, and then even more important to chase your dream. Okay? I'm sure you all want to play for India, right? You can answer me louder. Much better. Okay? So I want to wish you all the best. Enjoy cricket. Fall in love with cricket, okay? All the best. I can't start thinking of coming back again.
Well, look, you will live in our hearts forever. Whether you are there on the television screen or whether you are here with us, you will live in our hearts forever. For us, that's why this badge of honor is special. It is a small tribute to the concept of Sachin forever. Thank you very much for being part of this, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. You brought more joy to more Indians than anyone else I know. And just for that, for bringing those smiles on the face of all these young kids today, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rajdeep. Thank you so much, Sachin. I would just request, Sachin, if I can get you here, just solo, first a solo snap with you and the background. Gentlemen, ma'am, just a second. So a little ahead, so right about here. Mark. Yeah, this is good. Come on, people, keep that applause going. I can't hear you. Yeah, that's the way, that's the way. Alright, can we have one nice snap with Mr. Siddiqui, Mr. Rajdeep? I'd also like to invite the Group CEO of Network 18, Mr. B. Sai Kumar, and the Group COO of Network 18, Mr. Ajay Chako, to join them here, please. Alo, can we have you also here, please? Archana ma'am, Aiye, you've been doing a lot of calls and everything, a lot of running around. Let's have the applause going, keep the applause going. Boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen. Let's keep that chant going. And I'd now like to invite Abhijit Bansod and also Mr. Venkat Ramanan from Unity Consultant Contractors. Abhijit, Venkat, can we have you here, please? I'd also like to invite Vandana Malik on a landmark, not just for Bandra, but for Mumbai, for India, in honor of the man, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Let's keep that applause going. All right, we have the many children here, like I said, from the Jadav CC and Our Lady Salvation Academy. Can we slowly have you come in front for one photo op? Slowly, no hurry. We're all here. And also to sit down, please. No hurry, we've got huge cameras. Everyone will... Guys, can we sit down? Yes, let's. All right, enough time. Don't worry, guys. Let's all sit down. Come back. Side. Give place for the cameras. Sunil. Cameras here. Smile for the camera. Everybody can be seen. Smile. All right. Round of applause. Can I have the kids come back, please? Wapas aa jaiye. Everybody come back. We'll do this later. Come on. Everyone, please sit down. We have to give a memento to Sachin. I can't hear you. On this moment, we just like to present a memento to you, Sachin. It is the miniature bat of honor. If you can just, Rajiv, if you could do the honors, please. To Sachin. Miniature bat of honor. इतना बड़ा bat तो Sachin घर नहीं ले जा सकते. So we're giving him a miniature bat so that he can always remember this. The legend of cricket! And can we have the other mementos? Rajdeep, can we just present this to Miss Dutt? And for Mrs. Siddiqui. And that one is for you. Sachin, if we can have one last photograph with slowly, आइए इधर आइए. Come on the side, come, spread out. Stand on the second step पे खड़ी रहिए. Perfect. Smile for the camera. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend Sachin Tendulkar, the bat of honor at Carter Road, Mumbai. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you so much, Sachin, for allowing us to honor you. Thank you so much, sir. Boss, good.
Which everyone in the city would